In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook dating preferences. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. This is an essential step as it serves as the gateway to accessing all the features Facebook offers, including dating. Once the app is launched, you will see the familiar newsfeed filled with posts from friends and pages you follow. The Facebook app is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through it should feel straightforward. If you have notifications or messages, they might catch your eye, but focus on getting to the menu. This ensures you are on the right path to accessing your dating preferences. Next, tap on the menu icon, represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. This icon is usually located at the bottom right of the screen on iOS devices or the top right on Android devices. By tapping this icon, you will reveal a list of options and features that Facebook provides. This menu is the central hub for navigating the app, and finding the dating feature from here is crucial. Once you are in the menu, it will become easier to locate your dating preferences quickly and efficiently. From there, look for the dating option in the menu and tap on it. This option might be further down the list, so scroll carefully. When you tap on dating, you'll be taken to the dating interface, which is separate from your regular newsfeed. This is a dedicated space for connecting with potential matches. Taking this step allows you to enter the world of Facebook dating, where you can meet new people based on your preferences. This dedicated space enhances your chances of finding compatible matches. Now, tap on your profile located at the top right corner of the dating page. Your profile is where you can view your existing dating information and make changes. By selecting your profile, you open the door to customize your dating experience. It is important to ensure that your profile reflects your current preferences for the best results. This step sets the stage for making adjustments that will align with your dating goals. Next, tap on Dating Preferences. This option allows you to modify various aspects of your dating profile. Here, you will find several categories that you can adjust according to your personal preferences. Being able to customize your dating preferences is vital. It ensures that you attract matches more aligned with your interests and lifestyle. Once you enter this section, you will be ready to tailor your profile to suit your needs. Select the preference you want to change. You will notice a variety of categories available, including age range, gender, distance, and more. Each of these preferences plays a significant role in shaping who you might meet on the platform. For example, adjusting your age range can significantly widen or narrow your potential matches. This step is all about fine-tuning your dating experience to better reflect what you are looking for. Update your preferences, starting with the age range. You can easily slide to select the minimum and maximum ages you are interested in. This is crucial because it helps filter out profiles that do not match your age criteria, leading to more relevant connections. After adjusting the age range, move on to select your preferred gender. This step is essential for ensuring that your matches fit your romantic interests. Continue by setting your preferred distance. This preference allows you to specify how far away potential matches can be. Depending on your comfort level with long-distance connections, you can adjust this to fit your needs. The distance setting is important because it can greatly influence your ability to meet in person. Following this, consider updating your preferences for height, lifestyle, education, religion, and children. Each of these options helps create a clearer picture of your ideal match. As you adjust these preferences, remember that you are creating a profile that truly represents you. This will enhance your experience on Facebook dating, leading to more meaningful connections. Once you have made all the desired changes, make sure to save your preferences. This makes sure your adjustments are applied and you can start seeing matches that better suit your criteria. With that ready, you can now enjoy a more tailored dating experience on Facebook. Remember, the better you define your preferences, the more likely you are to connect with someone special. Thank you for following this guide on how to change your Facebook dating preferences.